The holidays are just around the corner.
Let's show you fun ways you can wrap your presents. No gift bag required.
Pamper someone special this season with a self-care basket. First, grab a basket and fill it with crinkle paper. Now, let's load it up with your favorite self-care essentials. I chose a cozy blanket, a hot chocolate bomb, this cute little mug, and marshmallows, of course, but feel free to customize. Don't forget to include a set of Mary Kay skincare products. They're perfect for maintaining clean, healthy skin in just a few steps, and a great addition to any self-care basket, because skincare is self-care. And that's it, a curated gift basket for someone who deserves a little relaxation this holiday season.
That is so cute. Kiss boring gift wrapping goodbye with mistletoe-inspired accents. Let's wrap the Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 set for someone looking to take their skincare to the next level. We'll start by layering sheer ribbon across the box, then a solid ribbon. These mistletoe leaf cutouts are so easy, and I'm just hot gluing them onto the ribbon to not damage the box. Finally, finish it off with some pom-poms to complete your mistletoes.
So cute!
Right? Super easy way to elevate your gifts.
Okay, let's wrap a present that's sure to wash away any stress and leave their skin satiny smooth. Start by grabbing a folded bathrobe and tying a pink ribbon vertically. Next, tuck the white tea and citrus satin body indulgent shea wash, silkening shea lotion, and revitalizing shea scrub into the belt of the robe. Now, tie the ribbon horizontally and finish it off with a bow. Attach some clear ornaments with glue dots to create the illusion of bubbles. The perfect final touch to this comforting holiday gift. Slay this holiday gifting season with candy cane sleighs. First, cut a rectangle out of cardstock paper. Then, hot glue a candy cane on both sides to create your sled. Using double-sided tape, secure 2 Mary Kay liquid eyeshadows together, then 2 more on top.
You could also do this with any Mary Kay lipsticks or even the satin lip set.
Yes, slay! You know we like to finish off with a matching ribbon and an ornament or a gift tag.
And that's a wrap. Interested in more holiday gift ideas? Contact your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant for personalized gifting recommendations. Happy holidays!